Welcome to the HMIS training video on the Housing Match workflow. This will cover creating referrals for clients on the Housing Match team side. Who is this video for? This is applicable to any Housing Match team who's responsible for coordinating referrals in their system. On the Maricopa Belt Continuum of Care, this will be the SAYS team as well as the Family Housing Hub team. On the Balance Estate side, if you're not sure who this team might be or this team does not currently exist, you can definitely send a help desk ticket to the HMIS help desk and we can guide you through that process and help discuss your options. In this, we'll just ensure our EDA product is selected. We'll create the service transactions referral as has been done previously, and we'll also go over creating the new coordinated entry event referral. So I'll jump into Service Point so we can take a quick look. So here we are in Service Point. I've already shadowed our data quality user and I'm already at the top level provider for the single adult system. We'll go find our client. And our first step will be going to the Service Transactions tab and adding a referral. We'll start by selecting the appropriate service code. In this case, will be Permanent Supportive Housing. We'll add our terms. We'll select our provider from our drop-down list here. I'm going to say this will be the Next Step Housing. And some systems may do this process and some may not, but you're able to go ahead and add a SPDAT, VI SPDAT, a TAE VI SPDAT, or a VIF SPDAT. In this case, I'll attach a VI SPDAT score. I'll make sure that our service need is selected by checking that box. And we'll make sure that we're identified and that the service is pending. Once that's complete, we'll click Save All to finish that referral. Now, the new step in this process is going to the Client Information tab and the Summary tab to also record a referral in the Coordinated Entry Event subassessment. This will be located on the bottom of your screen where there will be an assessment. The exact assessment layout may differ depending on which coordinated entry system you use, but that will be available to the Housing Match teams on the Summary tab. You'll also see a previous referral from the entry point process. We'll want to go ahead and make a new referral, and we should expect to see some other process or some other result here already. We're going to add a new one to indicate a new referral for the client. We'll make sure our start date and our date of event match. We'll leave the end date blank, and we'll record the type of referral that we're creating. In this case, it'll be a referral to a PSH project. And we just want to be mindful of any follow-up questions. So if it was a referral to post-placement or follow-up case management, we'd complete this. That's not the case here. But we do want to indicate the location of the crisis housing or permanent housing referral. To do this, we'll click the lookup. Now, this pick list unfortunately does not have the full set of HMIS providers available, and in this process, we'll only be referring to the top level provider. The top level providers will be marked with the HMIS logo at the end here, or the HMIS verbiage at the end, but in our previous referral, we did refer to a specific project, Next Step Housing. In this example, regardless, we're always going to refer to the top level provider on this sub-assessment. So we have that here. And the next two questions down here are not to be completed by the Housing Match team. These are completed by the housing providers who are responding to the referrals and updating the results themselves. Once all the information is completed on the Housing Match side, we'll click Save, and that completes the process on the Housing Match side. That concludes the HMIS training for the Housing Match workflow. Thank you for watching and have a great day.